Hi Lisa, it's Dr. T. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic and trying to understand where you felt it was so challenging with the screen size. So here I am in my Canva, and this is just pretend presentation, okay? So I'm going to open the presentation and put it on full screen, right? So actually I would have it here before I actually started my recording of using the Screencast-O-Matic. So when I started it, it would be open to the presentation. As you can see, I can move my video around where I am, so I think I like it up there where it's out of the way. But here's my full screen. I didn't have to adjust anything for Screencast-O-Matic to work. And then I would just go on with my presentation, going forward with each slide, like so, as I'm recording. And there I am, going to each slide. I'm not sure where you needed to adjust the screen at all. So this is pretty quick. I'm going along and I'm doing my presentation, etc. And then when I stop, I'm going to stop it, right?